We do actually have an email question that came in over the break, and I think it's something to do with a property damage claim. Can you go ahead and put that up here? I was driving my boyfriend's blue F-150 pickup truck, and while I was unloading some of his fishing reels, I accidentally scratched the side of his truck. How do I go about getting that repaired under his insurance? Anna Claire. That's a great question. You want to take a stab at that?
Well, it depends really on the amount of the damage to the vehicle. So for us, if a vehicle is damaged and it is not related to a car wreck, it's comprehensive coverage.
Right.
So most people have a $250,000, $500,000 deductible.
Right.
So if it is a small ding where somebody can fix it and buff it out for a couple $100, you probably don't need to get insurance covered.
Right.
But if Anna Claire just has no idea what she's doing and she's just scratching the truck up, you might just need to go ahead and open up a claim with your insurance, and it would be covered under the comprehensive coverage.
Okay. So even though she's unloading something in the bed of the truck, getting it out, scratches the side of a blue F-150, you follow it up under your own coverage, right? You don't go sue Anna Claire.
I mean, it is potentially under homeowners insurance or car insurance, but that's very unlikely. It would be something where you have to read Anna Claire's insurance policy if she's damaging your vehicle. And it really depends on the amount. If it's a couple $100, it's probably not worth getting.
And if it's a nice blue truck. I mean, it might be an older truck. I mean, if it's an older truck, you don't want to have to worry about all that. But anyways, we'll, Anna Claire, thank you for the question. And if, just basically talk really nice to your boyfriend and say, hey, look, here's $250 that you're going to pay yourself to fix your own truck. I'm sure he's not going to charge you. But anyways,